Hi, my name is Al Wheaton. I'm the Director of Education at the Mississippi Department of Archives and History.
I'm Carrie Baker, Assistant Director of Education.
And I'm Bentley Cochran, the Outreach Programs Coordinator.
And we want to welcome you to Freedom Summer 60 Years Later, a National Endowment for the Humanities Landmarks in American History Teacher Workshop.
We will be based here in Jackson at the two Mississippi Museums, home of the Mississippi Civil Rights Museum, the first state-sponsored civil rights museum in the country.
We and our friends at National History Day will host two one-week workshops in July 2024 to commemorate the 60th anniversary of Freedom Summer, a landmark not just in Mississippi history, but in American history. You'll also get to meet movement veterans and learn from some of the nation's top civil rights scholars.
We will travel to several important Freedom Summer locations, including the Mississippi Delta, Jackson, Natchez, and McComb. You'll learn about key volunteers like Bob Moses and Joan Trumpauer Mulholland, and Mississippians like Fannie Lou Hamer and Amzie Moore. In 1964, volunteers from across the country came to Mississippi to fight for equality. They faced opposition, violence, bombings, and even murder.
But there were successes as well, such as increased voter rights, freedom schools, and the formation of the Mississippi Freedom Democratic Party.